Good afternoon, children. Good morning, children. So here I am again with the online class, and we are going to continue the same topic which we have started yesterday. A new chapter from the grammar, chapter 5, determiners. The spelling of determiners is D-E-T-E-R-M-I-N-E-R-S. Determiners. So determiners mean where it specifies the noun. Okay, the meaning of determiner means where it specifies, okay, the noun or a pronoun, right? So today we are going to do the kinds of determiners, right? In the previous class we had the adjectives and the kinds of adjectives. Adjective means describing the noun or the pronoun or giving an additional information about the noun or the pronoun, whereas determiner specify the noun, right? Quality do come under my adjectives. Quantity, articles, a and the. Demonstrative, this, that, these, those. Possessive, mine, your, our, his, her, its, their. Possessive adjective. Interrogative adjective, which, whose, what. These are my determiners. So today I am going to do the first kind of determiner, that is articles. Articles a and the, right? So as I said, articles are my a and the. And what is the function of articles? Articles where we use, it is used to specify noun, okay, the speaker is referring to, which the speaker is particularly saying about the noun. Okay, now here in the articles we have a and the. A or an comes under my indefinite articles. A or an come under my indefinite articles. It means this is used with the singular noun. This a and an will be used with singular noun, and that is general common version of it. We can say a boy. We cannot say, okay, the boy. So here the is my definite article. An indefinite article used referring to particular or specific noun, particular noun. In the previous class of articles, I have explained the use of a or an. A is used with the consonant sound, whereas an used with the vowel sound. What is important, children, is the sound, not spelling. So when we have the sound of consonant, we use a. When we have the sound of vowel, we use an. And when we are talking about particular specific unique thing, we'll use the. Right? So, and this a or an will be always placed before the noun. A, an, and the will be placed before the noun or a pronoun. Right? Okay. And so here we have the example, like for example, I am going to buy a mobile. Mobile is my general, common, right? So I used a. If I specify the particular company, then I use the. I'm going to buy the Samsung mobile. I will going to buy the Vivo mobile. Then I will be using the. But here I am not specified any company or any name. I just use mobile. So mobile comes under my common and general noun. So what I said, I am going to buy a mobile. So a is my indefinite article, right? And a is used with the consonant sound like mobile, ma. So when we have the phonetic sound ma, mo, so having the sound of consonant, so I used a. Let's take another example. She ate an apple. So again an. Here an is my using with the vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. These are my 5 vowels. So when I'm using the vowel sound, I'm using an. and you see whether it's a or and, both are used with the just placed before the noun. Correct? The rose has a beautiful smell. The rose. The is my definite article. The. Here I have mentioned the flower, particular rose. So rose has a beautiful smell. So here the is my definite article and here is those is my noun. Right? So whether I use mobile, apple or rose, I have used, placed, prefixed the articles before the noun. So here it is specifying it. So here I am specifying about a mobile, here I am specifying about apple, here I am specifying about the rose. So these three words a and the under my kinds of determinant, that is articles. Correct? Next we have the demonstrative articles. Right? Demonstrative, children, means which point out the things, object, living and non-living things. So these, that, these, those. So four words come under my demonstrative is the these, that, these, those. The second one which we are going to do is demonstrative determiners. Here in this, that, these, those. Right? Here this, which is singular and near to speaker. That, singular but far from the speaker. These, plural, that is near to the speaker. Those, that is far from the speaker and in the plural form. That means you have to have S with it. Correct? So here these four you can see, these, that, these, those are my four words that come under my demonstrative determiners which specify the noun of a pronoun. If I take this is my mobile. So here this is singular. Correct? And this here stands with my demonstrative. That was my pen or his pen. Okay. So that singular, that is far from the speaker. If I say these children are learning. These children is my plural, not singular. Child is singular and children is my plural. So what basically some of them say children's. There are no children's, right? So then those students are joining the online class. Those again my plural, that is far from the speaker. So, and see over here we have used, and this what we have used before the noun. Children, the students, mobile, pen are my noun, right? So these are the two types of determinants that we have done today. The first is articles a, and then the another demonstrative. Demonstrative means which point out, okay, or which shows the direction. Over here, these are four. So right, this is the determinants. Next class we'll do the possessive determinants. My, our, your, his, her, its, their. Then we have the quantity, much, more, less, few, more. Even numbers come under my quantity, right? That is 1, 2, 3 and first, second, third. These numbers come under my quantity, and quantity like much, more, few, little, less, enough, sufficient, whole, that also comes under my quantity. So these three we will be doing in our next class, right? I hope that you've understood the first two kinds of determiners, that is my articles and demonstrative, right? So before closing, just a small recap. Determiner specifies the noun or pronoun. Determiner placed before the noun or pronoun. Okay, determiner can also be used before the adjectives, like like if I say the quality. Okay, so if I say she is an honest girl, so an is my article, honest is my quality, girl is my noun, right? She is an honest girl. So here, okay, I am a good student. I am a good student. I am a again is my article, indefinite. Good is my quality, a student is my noun. So if I say I am a student, student is my noun and I place it before here. This is my articles. Demonstrative, these, that, these, those. This singular close to the speaker, that far from the speaker referring to singular. Plural, these more than one, that is S we use close to the speaker, more than one noun, and those again plural using S and far from the speaker, right? I hope you understood. In our next class we will doing the other kinds of adjectives. So I've given you the notes. Continue the same notes of determiners where I've given the heading kinds of adjectives. In that you can continue the document in a grammar notebook, and at the same time you keep studying and work for a PT1 exam that is going to start soon. You all have received the timetable and the date sheet. Keep learning. If you have any doubt regarding English or my subject, do call or text me. I will be answering your call, right? Thank you so much. God bless you all. Stay home and stay safe with your near and dear ones. Thank you.